Hi everybody, this is iPod Touch SoCal here, and I'm here to tell you I just got my new iPod Touch 4G, fourth generation. You know, here's the side. Here's the side of it, the front of it, or the top of it, the right side of it, headphone jack, dock connector, and speaker. So let's get into the unboxing of it. There's like a little sticker. Let's pick up my camera. Put this down here. Here it is. Put that off to the side right now. Let's see what it comes. It comes with fingertips, little manual, and I got a lot of those. And the headphones that don't come with a mic. They don't come with a mic. So let's get into the iPod Touch here. How do you? Oh, my bad. So yeah, this is the iPod Touch. I gotta buy a screensaver for it before I open it up, so I'm not gonna do that right now, but you can see the HD camera in the back and the front facing camera right there. It has FaceTime, everything, so yeah. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna be giving one of these away, so check out my other video that I haven't uploaded yet, but should be uploaded by today or tomorrow. And yeah, thank you for watching, and catch you later.